Dear students, in this third video relating to the chapter Development of Economics, we will conclude the lesson by studying the other attributes of development. Let us sum up the two videos. In the previous two videos, we learned the notion of development. In this regard, we knew the aspirations and goals of different persons and different social groups of society. In the second video, we learned what is the criterion to measure the richness or poorness of a nation. We learned that the World Bank published its report in the form of World Development Report in 2013, and economic development was measured only on the attribute of income. The countries having 12,736 US dollar per annum was classified as developed and developed nation, developed countries, and the countries having 1,045 US dollar per annum per capita income was classified as low income country. In this video, we will learn the other attributes of development, other criteria of development. In addition to national development, and I would like to give you some important terms in this video. In addition to income, as we have repeatedly discussed, there are other criteria that are used to measure the development of a country. Those are freedom, better standard of life, respect for others, and social attributes like better health facilities, education, level of education. So before we discuss this point, we should learn what is the main value of development. The main value of development. So in the first thing that is used by the economists, that are infant mortality rate, literacy rate, human development index, etc., etc. So we will learn what is infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate is the indication of number of children die in proportion to 1,000 children born in a particular year. Once again, infant mortality rate shows that the number of children die born in proportion to 1,000 live births before the age of 1 year. And literacy rate is the indication of the percentage of literate person in 7 and above age group. In your book, page 10, two tables have been given. In the first table 1.3, the per capita income of three states have been compared. Per capita income of three states has been compared. As we see that the per capita income of Maharashtra is 1,04,000 and something. In Kerala 88,500, and in Bihar the per capita income is 27,200. In this way, we see that the per capita income is the highest in Maharashtra. It is followed by Kerala and lastly by Bihar. Bihar has the third position in per capita income in this regard. But when we compare some important data of these three states in the field of literacy rate, in the field of infant mortality rate, we find that Kerala is the state that holds the first position in these two attributes, infant mortality rate. Insofar as Kerala is concerned, only 12 out of 1,000 live birth, out of 1,000 live birth, only 12 children die in Kerala within the age of 1 year. And on the other hand, we have already seen Maharashtra has the highest per capita income, but in Maharashtra, out of 1,000 live birth, 1,000 children, 25 children die before the completion of 1 year. And insofar as Bihar is concerned, out of 1,000 children, about 43 children die in a year. How much it is painful, you can realize. Insofar as literacy is concerned, Kerala has the highest position, and Kerala has 94 literacy rate, 94% literacy rate, followed by Maharashtra 82% and Bihar 62%. It means per 1,000 persons, 94 persons are literate in Kerala, 82 persons are literate in Maharashtra, and 62% literate in Assam. So in this way we say learned that along with, in addition to income, there are other attributes that are considered, that are taken into account for the measurement of development. The UNDP, United Nations Development Program, it published the Human Development Index. Now you would like to know what is Human Development Index. Human Development Index is a tool through which a country's overall achievement is measured. Simply speaking, we can see that Human Development Index is the measurement of human capabilities of a country. Human capabilities of a country. What are the human capabilities? Like the level of education, educational achievement, standard of life in the field of agriculture and industries. So overall development of a country, overall achievement of a country, like in the social field and the economic field, Human Development Index is derived. Thank you. Okay.